What to avoid when raising puppies. When raising puppies, it's important to be aware of certain things to avoid to ensure their well-being and development. Here are some key points to keep in mind. Lack of socialization. Avoid isolating your puppy from social interactions with other animals, people, and different environments. Socialization plays a crucial role in shaping their behavior and reducing the likelihood of fear or aggression issues later on. Expose your puppy to various experiences in a positive and controlled manner. Harsh punishment. Avoid using harsh punishment or physical force as a training method. This can create fear and anxiety in your puppy and harm the bond you're trying to establish. Instead, focus on positive reinforcement techniques to encourage good behavior and teach them appropriate boundaries. Inconsistent training. Inconsistency can confuse your puppy and hinder their learning process. Establish clear rules and expectations from the beginning and ensure that everyone in the household follows them consistently. Use consistent cues and rewards to reinforce desired behaviors. Overfeeding or poor nutrition. Overfeeding your puppy can lead to obesity and associated health problems. Follow the feeding guidelines provided by your veterinarian and choose a high-quality, age-appropriate diet for your puppy. Avoid feeding them table scraps or foods that are harmful to dogs, such as chocolate, onions, or grapes. Neglecting exercise. Puppies have plenty of energy and need regular exercise to stay healthy and burn off excess energy. Avoid neglecting their exercise needs, as this can lead to behavioral issues and pent-up energy. Engage in age-appropriate activities and playtime to keep them mentally and physically stimulated. Skipping veterinary care. Regular veterinary checkups are essential for your puppy's health. Avoid skipping vaccinations, deworming, and preventive care treatments. Regular vet visits help identify any potential health issues early on and ensure your puppy receives appropriate care and vaccinations to stay protected. Allowing inappropriate chewing. Puppies explore the world through chewing, but it's important to provide appropriate outlets for this behavior. Avoid leaving valuable or dangerous items within your puppy's reach. Provide them with a variety of safe and durable chew toys to redirect their chewing behavior. Inadequate house training. Inconsistency or neglecting proper house training can result in accidents and make the training process longer. Avoid punishing your puppy for accidents and instead focus on positive reinforcement and consistent house training techniques. Establish a routine, reward them for eliminating in the appropriate spot, and be patient during the learning process. Lack of mental stimulation. Puppies need mental stimulation to prevent boredom and destructive behavior. Avoid leaving them alone for extended periods without providing toys or activities that engage their minds. Puzzle toys, treat dispensing toys, and obedience training sessions can help keep them mentally stimulated. Ignoring dental care. Dental hygiene is crucial for your puppy's overall health. Avoid neglecting their dental care by brushing their teeth regularly with a dog-specific toothpaste and providing appropriate dental treats or toys that promote healthy teeth and gums. Regular dental checkups with your vet are also recommended. Remember, raising a puppy requires time, patience, and consistent effort. By avoiding these pitfalls and focusing on positive reinforcement, proper care, and socialization, you'll set your puppy up for a happy, healthy, and well-adjusted life. What to do if the dog refuses to obey orders? If your dog refuses to obey commands, it can be frustrating, but there are several steps you can take to address the issue. Evaluate the situation. Determine if there are any underlying factors contributing to your dog's refusal. Consider if there are distractions in the environment, if the command is too challenging for your dog's current level of training, or if there are any health issues that may be affecting their behavior. Assess your training technique. Reflect on your training methods and ensure that you are using positive reinforcement techniques. Punishment-based methods can create fear and resistance in your dog. Instead, focus on rewards, praise, and consistency to motivate your dog to follow commands. Review consistency and clarity. Ensure that you are using consistent cues and signals for each command. Dogs thrive on clarity, So make sure your verbal cues, hand signals, or other commands are clear and easily distinguishable from one another. Reinforce basic training. Go back to the basics and reinforce the fundamental commands that your dog has previously learned. Sometimes, dogs need a refresher course or more practice to solidify their understanding. Increase motivation. Evaluate the rewards you're offering. If your dog is not responding to treats or praise, try finding a higher value reward that can serve as a stronger motivator, such as a favorite toy or a special treat reserved for training sessions. Break down commands. If a particular command seems difficult for your dog, break it down into smaller steps. Gradually build up to the full command by rewarding and reinforcing each successful step along the way. This can help your dog understand and execute the command more easily. Address distractions. Minimize distractions in the training environment. Start training in a quiet, controlled area and gradually introduce distractions as your dog becomes more proficient in obeying commands. This will help them focus better on the task at hand. Seek professional help if needed. If you're having persistent difficulties, or if your dog's refusal to obey commands is accompanied by concerning behavior, it may be beneficial to consult a professional dog trainer or behaviorist. They can assess the situation and provide personalized guidance to address the issue effectively. Remember, patience and consistency are crucial when training your dog. Stay calm and positive throughout the process and avoid getting frustrated or resorting to punishment. With time, practice, and the right approach, you can overcome obedience challenges and improve your dog's responsiveness to commands.